But the big deal is, of course, brewing between Flipkart and Walmart. Walmart wants a big pie in India's e-commerce business, which is thriving, and how. And we have Chandra with the exclusive details. Chandra, we could expect an announcement as early as perhaps tomorrow. And more importantly, the inflow that would come in would be one of the biggest that India has ever seen, even in fact beating Essar Oil and Rosneft.
This is going to be India's biggest e-commerce deal, and as you said, one of the biggest inbound deals as far as the M&A space is concerned. And we reported first last week that the preliminary agreement is done between both parties. We also said that Amazon is not in the picture, and what we are picking up from our sources right now is this deal is going to be announced tomorrow. So Flipkart, Walmart, after many weeks of all the twists and turns, it's going to be made official tomorrow. That's what we understand from our sources. All the various aspects of the deal have been hammered out. As part of this deal, Walmart is going to put in $15 billion. Remember, a significant chunk of this will go towards buying out shares of existing shareholders such as SoftBank, Sachin Bansal, more importantly. So part of it will be secondary. We really have to see what the breakup will be between the primary and the secondary bit. Apart from this, Alphabet, which is Google's parent company, is also expected to put in $1.5 billion as part of this deal. Now, like we reported earlier, Sachin Bansal, the co-founder of Flipkart, is expected to exit after this deal, after selling his entire stake. However, his co-founder, Binny Bansal, will stay on. He is expected to sell some shares, a part of his stake, but he will retain some of his stake in the company. Kalyan Krishnamurthy, the current CEO of Flipkart, is also expected to continue. And like we reported earlier, SoftBank is expected to exit, but Tiger Global, Tencent will stay on. So these are some of the details that we've picked up at this point. Expect an announcement tomorrow. It's finally going to be official. And yes, it's going to be a day of reckoning for Indian e-commerce, because this is a validation of the Indian e-commerce story as well. After many skeptics, raised questions on valuations, on exits, this is perhaps a validation of that.
Right. Chandra, thanks for that. So yes, the deal will be announced anytime within the next perhaps 24 hours. And we at ET Now will be on top of that story, getting you all the news and all the analysis as and when it breaks. Thanks.